The closing numbers on the markets today, at one point the market fell as if down a well over 700 points.
Let's talk about the speed with which we are watching this market deteriorate.
Almost everything there completely wiped out. And the NASDAQ, everything and more has been completely wiped out.
Money goes back into the Fed. Isn't this all kind of one big Ponzi scheme?
Would have collapsed the entire economy of the United States, and within 24 hours the world economy would have collapsed.
So really, the average person is really struggling with control of their money.
Cold hard facts are they're in a financial prison, is what it amounts to. They owe so much out there that they have no real spendable money out. And that's prison.
Financial industry as a whole has done, I believe, a disservice to people by combining both savings and investing.
34.5% of every dollar they have to spend is going to interest alone to the banking business. Now, someone sent me email just in the last couple of days. Wall Street Journal substantiated what I'm talking about.
They were pushing for income taxation, and they got it. They got pushed through the 16th Amendment to the Constitution to allow for an income tax. And they also pushed through the 17th Amendment and created the Federal Reserve System. From that point forward, what you find is a tremendous ongoing expansion of the federal government.
Long-term listeners to the program know that I've had personal experience with the Internal Revenue Service from a business that I owned many years ago, and I got audited for a deduction that I took, and quite frankly, I fought back against them. And I lost this particular battle, and they came in one night and seized all of my bank accounts and that of my then 9-year-old daughter, even her savings account. And a lot of people don't realize just how unbelievably powerful the Internal Revenue Service has grown.
They really don't have a good way out. Their effort is to try to control people's lives and to make as many people amongst our citizenry dependent upon government.
That the government is scrambling, looking for ways to fund all these liabilities.
But the tax level that you'll be paying on that money by the time you take it out will be far greater than if you'd have just paid tax on the front side and saved in an alternative way.
And in the end, they've been taught to give their money to somebody else, to keep giving their money to somebody else. And those places are going to make it as hard as possible for them to get it back, and want to keep it as long as they possibly can. See, I think there's a fatal flaw out there that people are taught to look for rate, whether it's rate of return or rate when they get a loan. And they don't understand it's about having more money. And the ideas behind controlling your money have more impact to your overall end result. And so when we talk to people, we're teaching them how to create processes that can actually create more money for them. It's not focused on rate of return. These are the concepts and ideas that we want to share with people and help them understand how just eliminating those wealth transfers in their life actually can enhance their wealth and give them more money, which is what they're really looking for. It's not rate of return, but that's the lie that they've been taught.